run, don't walk, to this rarely available bungalow with an addition on one of the best streets in Clanton Park. You're gonna love it. Come on in, let me show you around. The foyer leads to an open concept living space, perfect for entertaining and family time. The dining room is stunning with hardwood floors and a large window. The fully renovated kitchen features a large island, quartz counters, marble backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and an eat-in area. The living room is spacious with a fireplace, hardwood floors, a walkout to the deck, and incredible backyard. The primary bedroom is a dream with a gorgeous 5-piece ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. Two other well-sized bedrooms, a beautifully renovated main bathroom, and 2 coat closets complete the main floor. The basement is enormous and features high ceilings, a phenomenal rec room, a kitchen and living room, a bedroom and bathroom, an entrance into the house from the garage, a separate entrance, a huge laundry room, and storage galore. You're going to love this massive reverse pie-shaped lot measuring over 100 feet across the back, and you're close to highways, Wilson Subway, York Mill Subway, schools, parks, and so much more. It's one of the best opportunities to come on the market in a really long time. Whatever you do, don't miss it. Book your showing today.